There you go. Ready, set, go.
Welcome to this episode with Mommy, Sister, and Amy. And me and Amy and my mom is gonna make some tasty cake.
Yes, today's Thursday. It's baking day. Oh my gosh.
Cake.
What do you want to do?
Put sprinkles on my hands so I can feel like I'm eating a cake.
Oh my gosh. Amy is a big fan of Pinkalicious.
I'm gonna make stuff like this guy. His name is the Dead Tree.
Yeah,
Dead Tree.
he looks frightening.
Yes.
Would you like to see the unicorn tracks?
Tracks?
They're called unicorn tracks. You see them? I'll show you. It is baking day again. And today we're going to bake round cakes. Very good. You're learning how to do it. Uh-oh. Oh. There's one.
Let me put it
You want to do one?
Yeah, by myself.
By yourself?
No, but I'm not going to put any other.
Okay, do it on the table. On the table. There you go. Again? There. Now, I'm going to do this part.
No!
Oh, yes. You know why? We don't want any shells in there. Ready?
Wow.
Okay. You're helping. You're helping. Don't. You probably want to move those because. Oh, good job. Hey, you got it in there just fine.
Mom, let me try.
Okay, you each did one. Okay.
Mom, I want to try to do it like that.
Oh, maybe next time. Okay. Here, John Paul gets to dump this in. Vanilla. Now this is 1/3 of a cup. So.
Is Amy supposed to mix?
Well, she can, I guess. 3 of these make 1 cup. Alright, so here's one. We only need 2/3 of a cup. That's 1. 2.
Look, Amy's trying to stop eating like this.
Yeah, we got beautiful new round pans for today. She's wearing mommy's shoes.
My sprinkles.
Let's see
No
if
snakes
it will
ball.
come out. Ah.
It looks tasty.
Ouch! Oh, yay! The bottom came Oh, that one came out nice.
Put unicorn sprinkles.
We're frosting the cake. Ooh.
Looks like a Krabby Patty now. Doesn't it? See? Look, bun.
Oops.
Doesn't it look like a Krabby Patty?
Yeah. Ah! Very good, Amy.
Doesn't it look like a Krabby Patty?
Yeah. Let's see how many end up on the cake. They're to put on the cake.
On the cake. No. Eyes, nose, mouth.
Very, very nice.
Let me go again.
Yeah, sure. Don't do it. Okay.
I'm going to eat it.
Can you say, I love baking day?
I love baking day.
Very nice, Amy.
I love baking day.
Very nice. Wow. Yeah.
Blue one.
Blue. Blue. Orange. And I'm going to try to give some of the cake to the neighbors today. So it's like a little impromptu summer party. Oh wow. Doesn't that look delicious? Yummy.
Too bad the neighbors can have this.
I might give them some.
What?
Amy's eating it in a tree.
Amy likes it.
You like it? Good job.
You have to get a good job.
Yeah. We're gonna be up late tonight.
Amy, bring around the rosy.